Found another little lake. Come on, River, over here. This is so awesome. This has got to be about the best part of Wilderness Lakes. This is, you could walk here, but it's right down the road from the grocery store. And to be able to come here on this beautiful little man-made lake, let him run. There's nobody out here. It's raining. Nobody's going to be out here except somebody like me. And I like it that way. And River likes it that way. I am a little nervous about the next place I'm going because apparently the road going up there is crazy curvy and it's really steep and the campground's really tight. So, should be interesting. Luckily, my truck's doing pretty good. That's how I got here. Oh, this weather makes me have a lot of pain. Don't know why, but man. I bet you I gotta wipe this lens. Hold on. Probably. All the other dogs are jealous. Nobody else gets to run around free. Just blows me away. These people all have got to make $250,000 a year minimum just to live here. Like, what the hell do all these people do to justify that much money? I'm like, what? Anyway, come on, buddy. I just wanted to go for a walk and let him spread his legs, because even with my walks, like, he needs to run, you know what I mean? His little balls are pumping. Hey, don't do it. That's a drop off, buddy. I'd yank him out, but no, come on, man. I think he's thirsty. It's really not raining. It's more of a mist, fog. It's kind of cool. I like it. Literally cool. And where I'm going, it's literally snowing. Literally. 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 All right, monkey. You're doing a pretty dang good job. You feel better? Oh, no. I mean, go ahead, jump in there. You're gonna freaking not like the way I yank your ass out of there. You can just imagine all the phones blowing up. There's a dog. It's not on the leash. All right. We're gonna go around this grassy area before we go back up to the truck. Oh, wow. See, I didn't even know. What the heck? It's still all blurry. Huh? So are my glasses. Good boy. Oh, that's a bummer. Not. Can't imagine swimming in there. Guarantee there's chemicals. Alright. Well, come on, River. That's the landscaper. Hey, get over here. Wow, he just went in that person's yard on accident. Oops. Alright. Hopefully that wore him out a little bit. River, come here. Hey. Shh. Here. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah, go this way. Alright. And just like that, we're back. So that was pretty awesome. Menifee Master.